precision glue, and I took, what's the cap? I took it off. Oh, right here. I just took it off. And then just take the top off. Will take you to our needles right here. So then you're gonna use this one's a brand new one, super full. So when you have a new one, don't have to squeeze really hard. I would never have to squeeze it really hard though, unless it'll be in the end. So you can just like check all the edges, gaps, cracks between the crystal and the charms and the beads and the chains and everything here, to make sure they are like this one right here, scratchy right here. You can see that. So we just squeeze just a little bit, just right there. So then it prevents from catching the client's nails, catching on their hair or their clothes. Anything you would take care of. And I put right dot right here because I think I'm gonna put some so I'm gonna put the beads on it. Yeah, I put the obsidian beads from my obsidian collection. I love this one. Place that. Feel scratchy, then you just fill it in. And I'm gonna using my twin tip brush and give it a quick swipe wherever the spot that I have, you know, is extra precision glue. So then after you cure, it's gonna look nice and flawless. It doesn't look lumpy bumpy for you. Great. So I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds for these nails, and then go on to our next ones. Super cute loose, and I feel scratchy right here and right in these edges. You're gonna fill it in, but you don't have to fill all at once. You can fill it once and then flash key and then fill it again, so then that way you can keep filling up all the gaps, and it protects and it seals completely around all the charms. Like mine right now, you feel it's like texture, but it doesn't catch anything because I feel just all of the gap. This one I forgot to part of it to put the top coat or to put the precision glue. You can also seal all of this, but I'm gonna put the no wipe top coat all over that metal art. I am not gonna do it right on the top of crystals. Try not to put it on the top of the crystals, just on metal arts only. Cure this guys for 60 seconds. So this is what help it, you know, prevents from getting, you know, tarnish, and keep it nice. Like I have that, and just keep it stay nice, and it's not gonna tarnish your metal arts. So I'm gonna go into the third nails, and here is my dragon scale. Super cute. You feel texture, but you don't like, you feel the texture of it, but you don't feel like it's gonna catching anything. And right in this gap right here, the edges, I feel it. So I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit. Little go a long way. Each time you go, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit. And sometimes it's come out more, because if you give it a really like hard squeeze in, you don't have to. I don't think I have to squeeze mine, just like really like squeezed gently. You don't have to do it really hard. And I'm gonna coat this one. Before here, I'm gonna give it a little bit quick swipe, just like have a final touch for this, and cure for 60 seconds. This super cute 2 nails is ready here for us. And this is here the metal arts bars right here. I am going to squeeze it in and check. I used to be really in love with this crystal placement, nail art and stuff, but then I'm so nervous of like place them on, because it's like a dream to me. I'm always afraid of and nervous that if I doing it like it's only or last 1 or 2 days, or it might be not even making to that far, and then it's gonna catching on my hair or clients' hair or their clothes, or that if, for instance, if you're like, in some of you will have the weather's in the winter's time, the clients wearing really nice scarf, or they're one of their favorite scarf, or expensive clothes stuff. You don't want it catching on that. It's like all the fabrics they're wearing. I'm gonna squeeze this one in. So I'm gonna put some it's my super cute beads right there. I know, I'm just gonna put something on it and give it a quick swipe before I cure. And I'm gonna go back and coat, hold, and tie the part of the metal art before I cure it. Try not to get it into the crystal, just only on that part. You can do it on the metal arts, but not on the crystals, because it's gonna destroy the shine and the sparkle of it. Great, so now let's cure this, guys, for 60 seconds. Oh, is the last nail already? I feel like I just start. This is all super cute nails for you. That's such a really nice tutorial today. I got so much excitement to share with you, because you know what, I have everything prepared for 4th of July, but I said, what if we can just like take you ladies for a little bit quick, like a break, just one fun day to do something that we really enjoying it. Wow, because July 4th is really stunning and enjoy as well, but this one is really cool. I don't want to miss it and not showing you. So I hope you really enjoy this live tutorial. Hey, thank you so much. Shy Tao, hey, thank you so much. Bye, Sonia. Have a good night and have fun tomorrow teaching. Thanks so much for tuning in. And is all this super cute, like charm, chains, and newest stickers, all products that I share with you today is available on our official website at Glitz Accessory and such. If you have any question regarding to the order or the products you need to have support to get an order, you can always email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com, or you can text message us if you're at your convenience at 206-771-5086, or you can call us at 206-771-5086. And if you have like a convenient, you can always DM us regarding to some questions there. The team will able to help and support every single of you. And